Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 15th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla is up 87 cents, 0.55%, closed at 157.67. Post market, we are up by 2 cents. And let's look at what we have here on the chart. Well, basically, this is a green day today, but basically, we still made a lower high and made a lower low. The stock is still continuing down. We are barely outside of this downward channel. We were into it for a long time, then we came out of it, but we kept hugging it as if we were looking for a lover. And yesterday we even came back into the channel, and today we came outside of it. But we are basically going lower and lower and lower. And we learned, you can look at it on the internet, we learned that Elon sold Tesla stocks Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And he sold for something like $4 billion worth of Tesla. But this is a far cry from the Elon that told us a long time ago that he was going to be the last person to sell the Tesla shares. But I guess that he has now other priorities. Twitter. Basically, this is having an impact in the stock, even though Tesla is great as a fundamental company. If people keep dumping that stock, Elon first, and maybe other institutions, I don't know, then the net result is that the stock is going down. And we are investing or trading the stock market to buy low and high, sell high and buy low. So we are not here to buy high and then to buy a little bit lower, but still high, and a little bit lower, but still high. Yeah, this is why I feel technical analysis is the best tool to help you navigate this, because who could have thought that Elon was going to sell again? But the stock price is the truth. The stock price is not lying. It's not lying. It's showing us what's happening. And the stock price moves in trend. When there is a trend tends to continue until the trend breaks. Then it tends to continue. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart how this played out today. Opened quite a bit low here. So sometimes when you see a support like this, a horizontal support like this, and then you have an opening that's very low, sometimes that's a sign that things are going to go up. But this is not what happened today. We have a nice strong first hour, but then we kept going sideways. We are still above support at 156.33. Stochastic at 20, so nothing to show us a change in trend yet. Even if we have Tesla going higher tomorrow, let's say, if we don't have stochastic over 60, this move is not going to be a change in trend. To have a real change in trend, we need to break this downward resistance right here with a good stochastic. A lot of things need to happen before we have a decent change in trend, because it's really possible that we do this and we continue down. So this is still part of the trend. So each time a stock moves up like this, it can be an opportunity to take a little bit of profit. But when we get close to a resistance, we need to be careful because we can cave into resistance. So it's okay to buy here and sell here. It's okay to try to do that, but we should at least be mindful that we could be caving in. If we are having a move up tomorrow, we should keep in mind that there's still a resistance right here that can push us down. It could be argued that if we break this downward resistance right here, that would be a sign. Another sign would be right here at 160. If we break above 160, then maybe this is going to be a chance to catch a little bit of a swing. Let's go back on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 9, RSI at 31. Everything is bearish for Tesla. There is no indication yet on the daily chart, and much less and not even on the hourly chart that things are going to go back up. Let's go see on the 5-minute chart for fun. On the 5-minute chart, we have stochastic over 60. So that's the only positive sign for Tesla on the 5-minute chart. But then again, we have two downward resistance, this one here and the one at 160, before we can even start thinking about maybe a small move up to the downward resistance that I was talking about. So pretty sad day for Tesla, pretty sad year for Tesla actually in terms of the stock price. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.